So we're gonna be walking straight this way and then up that way. And before we do, we'll give you a little context of everything. So that's like, you'll see in a minute. But before we go in, let's just kind of take a look at this. We got this kind of beautiful little park. We got Zhuhai de Cunha right here. This is usually a pretty big tourist little area. You got all these kind of little labyrinth of little buildings everywhere in here. So maybe you saw some of the other films in this area as well. But we're going to be heading straight up that way. So so stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's head on up that way. So let's say goodbye to this. Kind of cool stuff everywhere. See, that's a little dragon. This little dragon follows all the way down. So yeah, that dragon is like there, and it goes all the way down there, and you can see its feet, things like that as well. But we're gonna head up this way, and you already got some pretty cool artwork right there. Just gotta take a look at that artwork. Yeah, it says tiger. It's nice. Okay. Get the artwork all the way down, and then you also have, that's the Zhuhai de Cunha down that way. Okay, let's go on up. I wonder if they'll have artwork on this side too later. Just kind of go like that, and then we'll capture the artwork as well. This is a Calçada do Quartel right there. Now you can capture some of this because there's a rooftop up there. There's actually two rooftops. There's one there and that one there as well. So kind of cool. So we got a rooftop, one, two, some over here too, and that one over there too. So we got like 4 or 5 rooftops. So let's head on down Calçada do Quartel. We could also go up that way as well. Carlos de Maya, but we're gonna go down this one instead. Dang, somebody always illegally parks here all the time. But you got this nice sign that says Hello Macau right there. And usually that's in the photographs. Yeah, actually let's kind of capture it from the corner a little bit. Yeah, actually this is nice. Got a little coffee shop right there, right? So you capture it in the corner like that. And you can capture some of the beauty of the street. It's too bad that car is parked right there. Oh well. Keep on going down. Kind of a cobblestone. Huh. Nice. Let's go across this way. So we're gonna view this from this other angle instead. Now you can see that other rooftop up there as well, right? Oh, it says 3 Colombia. Must be Colombia coffee, I guess. Pong de Cafe. Okay, let's head on down. A little taste of this street now too, eh? Got some good footage today. Your motorcycle's coming. Okay, we're gonna keep on going down that way, but let's just show you where we came from right there. There's a Galaxy Casino on the other side of that government pink colonial looking building. Got some nice artwork here. And you also have a map here too. So we're in Taipa, and I guess they're right there. And we're gonna come out on this side right here. Sala del Quartel. Okay, that's the end of our street right there. I feel like that one. This is where we came out at. Just put a little context and stuff. A lot of motorcycles right there today.